everyone, it's Tammy and I got my BoxyCharm box. So I'm kind of excited about this. I like getting these boxes. So every month I get a subscription box to BoxyCharm and it is 5 full-sized pieces of makeup or whatever, beauty products. And they are usually very nice, like exciting stuff. Sometimes I don't use them and I pass them on, but other times I end up really loving them. So let's see, this first thing I got says Beauty for Real Finish Line. I have no idea what this is, so let me look on this. And Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner is mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one steady sweep. The tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure deep color from thin to thick, while the intensity pigmented formula makes 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. And this retails for $16. So I'm trying to open it because I will definitely use this. If I don't think I'm going to use it, I will leave it in its packaging so that I can share it with one of my peeps. But if I think I'm going to wear it, I don't mind taking it out of the package and showing you guys what it looks like. Yay. Alright, so let's see. It's a nice brush. Ooh. And it is very nice. I mean, you can do a really thin line, or you could do a thicker line. Yeah, I like it. Very nice, very nice. Beauty for Real. I'm going to have to try that for sure on my eyeballs. This is St. Laurent lip gloss. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Steve, did I say Steve Laurent? I don't know. The Steve Laurent gloss is a never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel with oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. And it retails for $22, which seems very steep for this little lip gloss in this strange color. That is strange to me. I don't know that I will like this color, nor do I think it'll look good on me. It's kind of a nude color. It's called Champagne. So I don't know. It's not really my color. I will probably give this to my chick. And I can give it to her in her Easter basket. My chick can have it in her Easter basket. And this is Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture. Goodness gracious, these things are so hard to open sometimes. This is all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight. Can be used on the eyes, lips, and face and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. Manufacturer retail price is $27 for this. It's very small in my opinion. And I don't even know how to open it. Oh, it looks like you turn this and it shows you the... But I still think I might have to open it first. Because you can close it and then you can open it, but I think I have to... There seems like there's something in there that I might need to take off first. I don't know. And my hands are blue because I've been inking. Yeah, there's definitely something over here. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that is glowy. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, I just might keep this. I'm going to take this sticker all the way off. This is going in my Easter basket. No, I'm teasing. It's not going in my Easter basket. It's going in my beauty cabinet. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Wow, that's pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that shimmery shim. Now, do you close this every time? Because it seems like it would just make it a mess. But I guess it won't spill out that way. I don't know. What do I know? I clearly don't know how to even use it. But I'm kind of excited about it. This is in the color Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. And it is diamond glowy. I love some sparkle. So I'm kind of excited about that. Okay, this is very distracting to me. So I'm going to get my little... Those black marks are like... Let's see how easy it comes off. Oh, good. Well... Yeah, it's not too bad. That's just a baby wipe. Okay, and then I have some Luxie Summer Days brush set. And it comes with 3 brushes. I don't really need brushes. But I don't know if I need them, if my girls need them or not. So I'll just keep them in this little bag, I think. But let me tell you, these manufacturer retail price is $28. It says the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look while that will last all day. Use the small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter, and then the large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So which one are they saying? Do they have numbers on them? Okay, so these two do, at least. This one's number 245. That one says that one is for a small shader brush. And this one is number 209, which says it's the large shader brush. So this one is the small contouring brush. Okay, I was wondering, I was like, what in the world? When I heard small, I was looking at these and I was thinking, you're supposed to contour with the little brush. I just don't even know. I don't really know how to contour, so we shall see. Maybe I will use them, especially with this new fancy, look at this, from Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So what does it say? This is $36. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition, oh boy, 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, oh, see, that scares me. I'm going to try to open this carefully so that I can reseal it, because I don't know that I will use this, or I don't need bold eyeshadow. Okay. Complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. So it's fun. I mean, it's really cute. And then you open it, and there is a nice mirror. Woo-wee, look at that pretty lady. And then it has all of these shades. Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, 24 Magic, Firework, Sunset, Wild Child, Gypsy, Hidden Desert, All Night, and Epic. Yeah, those are not colors that I would use. I am thinking I'm going to give these to my son's girlfriend, because I don't know that Katie would wear them either. But I might ask her first just to see. So yeah, but it's still fun. Even though there's stuff that I would not order, it's still fun to get this stuff because, I don't know, it's stuff that I would never have tried on my own, would never have even given it a second chance. And I never would spend this much money on stuff, but some of it's really fun to use, and I enjoy getting it at the discount and to be able to use something that, like I said, I wouldn't normally even try. So I don't know, it's fun. And I love that I have girls that I can give it to too if I do not want it. So it's a win-win all the way around. So I hope that you guys like it, and I will talk with you all soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.